Welcome back, guys. Crypto4Life channel. Today I would like to show you the updates for POL, Matic, previous ticker with my customer set. Let's dive in. So BTC bounced pretty good, and even with the shutdown. So I honestly I'm not expected. So it will happen. I mean the shutdown in the United States, but it is what it is, and. Looks like people started buying the BTC, but I don't think so. It's like retail drive the market. I think it's some like market makers or the whales treat the people to buy at the higher price, like 119K. And so my targets for BTC is still relevant, 139, maybe even over than 150. But I don't believe in BTC over than 200K this cycle, even if this cycle will be extended. But who knows? Who knows? The main problem now with the BTC dominance, because BTC dominance bounced to 59%. And yes, we can go straight forward to the 60 or even 61% again. It can be kind of bad for the alts. So the POL, prismatic ticker, now consolidate around 18 level by FIB. It's 24 cents. The next drop, all this zone, it's like a great zone for accumulation. What I shared with you in previous videos, like 5 cents and 24. So the people blame the POL, so they not so they don't care, you know, like a team, they don't care about the price. But guys, a lot of altcoins dying like this one, even the to BTC, like POL BTC trading pair, even to USD. That's why, guys, now we can't just sit and wait when probably the money will inflow into alts. But like I told you in previous videos, we need to reduce our expectation, because maybe this cycle will be not that brightful like a previous one, because like we can see, institutional have almost zero interest to pump alts, you know, because they focus on risky assets but less risky, like BTC, Ethereum, Avalanche, Sol, and not invest and not spread the liquidity in a wide sector of altcoins. That's why local one on the weekly time frame, guys, if it was a bottom in April, but we can't know it was a bottom or not, or we're going lower again, because we can work only with the current data. So the bullish target, and of course I hope that October, November will be green for alts also. Here, this is a yearly open test. So this one is here, this is a monthly gap, like 30 cents, 96 and 38.20. Weekly time frame gap, we can identify it is here. So it's like 35.40 and 42 cents with a test of yearly open. So this is a logical one. If you want to open trade now to buy the POL, even if we talk about a spot, stop loss can be under 21 cents, but now with the Friday, so it's kind of not a good maybe option to buy now before the weekend. But this is a potential stop loss with 12% stop loss and 24 with a second leverage against the 160, 170 with a second leverage, if we talk about a yearly open test. So definitely I think we will test this high. And it's kind of weird, because imagine all this year, you know, just now it's October, so the Matic just dumped it like 66%, and nothing's happened with the stock. And it's kind of weird, you know, how all that good fundamental project from previous cycle just performed like that. It's kind of weird. It's kind of weird. I hope, of course, we will continue going up and test this downtrend line. So if we use this test line, like on a weekly time frame, test, and it should be the here yearly open and the test of 79 or 80 cents over then the high of December 24. Yes, it's possible, but guys, it's hard to say about a timing. If we talk about the here, for example, this breakout, it can be even the September 26. So it will be just the worst cycle ever for Polygon if we just go like in a sideline, all market pump it, and we just go in a sideline and nothing will happen. Just till September 26th. If we talk about a local daily downtrend move, so this is usually we bounce at 50%. So when we see some correction, like impulse here, daily impulse, if this was a bottom, so 0.5 level FIP and the yearly open is like a magnet to see the correction, like 45.95. So this is it. Let's check with indicator set what's going on now. ADZ, there is no data because it's a ticker from not from exchange. It's global one, crypto. If you want to check the whole picture of the token, just type Matic USD or any other ticker, crypto, find it. So based on daily time frame, direction, no accumulation zone, nothing. But once again, guys, usually the yearly open, the weekly and the monthly gaps, it's like a magnet for the market makers to close that imbalance zones. All right. No accumulation, nothing, no distribution. It's good. What I don't like, we trade almost at the top without any accumulation. So it's kind of weird, So the Matic definitely one of the most underrated and one of the most frustrated token by price action this cycle, definitely. So this was accumulation. So I hope, of course, the whale's got a plan for the Matic to pump it higher and not drop to close the monthly gap under. We will come back to close that gap later, but not now. Based on direction, this is definitely not a time to sell. Time to sell, I think it will be around here, $1.68. So this is it. If we check the market mood money power indicators, here's optimism. It's kind of weird, when the market mood shift just after here June 25, we bounce it just 44%, and this was capitulation. This is optimism. So soon we will see the top again, and time maybe to sell. It's on a daily. Weekly, this is a disbelief. It's usually a great time for accumulation, but how long we will trade in the range, it's hard to say. This was a money outflow. Now, no money inflow, no money outflow, nothing. This is kind of weird, guys. Also, one good moment, it's not a time to sell POL, because since February 25, we are in capitulation zone. Here was some purchases from the whale since September, October 24 at 30 cents and 35. So I hope at least we're gonna bounce to yearly open. After that, test this downtrend line, and maybe we'll see some money outflow on the months like it was here in the March, April, May 2021. Take a look, by the way, the money outflow here at the top, but after that we hit another top without any money outflows. So it was a manipulation. That's why, by logic, I hope to see this move, money outflow, and the bear market. So this is it, guys. I'm not sure the POL will hit the new all-time high, unfortunately, guys. But time will show us. Time will show us. If the cycle really extended in time till spring 2026 or even autumn 2026, maybe the alts will perform only in the next year. It's hard and annoying, definitely, but it's a fact. Based on the weekly time frame, trade on, sell, only buybacks, no main signal to buy. The last one and only was in June 2022. So monthly also buyback was here. Daily, buy, sell. And kind of weird, but we don't see the take profit signal from sell. So you know what I mean? Here was the last signal to sell in May, drop, take profit. So close all short position, buy, sell, and now we don't have the same signal to take profit. That's why if the market will drop, yes, we can see once again the Matic under 18 cents. And here's a buy line. Yes, this is what I mean, guys. A buy line now, it's 1622. It's a buy line on a daily time frame. Let's add alert to take profit buy line. If we're gonna test the buy line at 16 cents 14, it's gonna be the best option to buy. Also here it's 16.97. It's a buy line on 12 time frame. Only one condition can be for that drop if something happened, of course, in the world, geopolitical, the world's, I don't know what can happen, or the BTC dominance going to 61%, BTC going to new all-time high, and alts drop it down again because the liquidity outflow from the alts into BTC. That's why, guys, no rush, but if you feel comfortable to buy POL now at 23 cents with the targets like $1 and higher, you can accumulate even now because we are inside the global accumulation zone, 24 and 5 cents. With the target, what I showed you before, guys. Write please in a comment what do you think about a POL. By the way, on a weekly, we underrated, so this is a good moment. On a weekly, we hold the line at fundamental value. So the take profit now is 61 cents 40, exit line 69 cents. That's why, once again, before you write in the comments, this is the best option for the Matic. This is the best option. This consolidation and go higher. Hard to say about timing. So if you would like to trade as my customer said what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.